Hello everyone. In this video, this is Pushpa. In this video, I am going to tell about how to use dimension command and how to measure the dimension of any object in the AutoCAD. Let us begin. Let us draw any figure. Let us take line command L enter. Specify first one. Let us draw some figures like triangle, rectangle. Escape. Let us form a rectangle. REC. Enter. Specify first comma parts. Let us make a circle. C enter. Specify center point. Let us make R. Enter. Specify start point. Specify second point. We have formed some of the figures like the quadrilateral, rectangle, circle, and an arc. Now we are going to measure this one. So we can measure these in linear, align, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, ordinating, and jogged. These are all the measurements we can do. So first of all, we check the linear dimension. Okay, let us take from here to here. Now we can see this is very small. So let us make this. D, type D enter. We can change the dimension of it. Click modify. And in this these are the primary units. These are the modified dimension style. So we have to click on symbols and arrows. So here we can see different types of arrowheads. So let us take triangular field and leader as also triangle field. Arrow size we have to specify. Let us take 0.5. Okay. Center marks. Click OK. This one is the radius of jog dimension. This dimension angle we have to specify here. So arc length symbol. Preceding dimension text, above dimension text, and none. So let us click above dimension text. We can see here the preview. If you have selected this one, it will be looking like this. So let us click on text, standard, no color, okay, text height. Here we can change the offset also. Click on OK, click set current, close. Let us click here. On the text, we will be getting the height. So let us make it as 3. Enter. 3 enter. Close. Here we can see the height of the text. Okay. So let us go to D enter. We have to change the break. Symbols and arrows. Break size, let us make it as 3. Enter. Okay. Set current. Here we can see. Okay. Let us make it as height as 10. 10. Apply. Close. Press D enter. Modify. In symbols and height. Break size we are giving as same as 10. Click OK. Set current. Close. Here we can see. Here we can have, now we can change the dimension, size and units. And now we can see the dimension. Let us take another figure. Enter. Okay. Let us take the dimension of it. Linear. See. According to our given data, it has, so our height is, let us make it as 1. Enter. 1 enter. Close. Okay. Let us make it as 0.2. 0.2. Apply. Close. Okay. So press D enter. Click on modify. Break size 0.2. Let us change this one also. Let us take this. Okay. Set current. Close. Here we can see our dimension. So if you want circle, C enter. Let us take another one. Alignment. For align we want a inclined line. Okay, L enter. Yes. So let us measure this one. Align. Specify this. Here you can see 7.5812 is the dimension of this inclined line. Let us measure this. Click space. Specify second extension line origin. Here we can see 6.8349 is our dimension. Space. Let us measure this line. Here you can see dimension. Okay, this is all about align and angular. Okay, select, it is showing the instruction. Select arc, circle, line or specify vertex. Okay, let us select this line. So this angle is 67 degrees. So let us measure this angle. Click space, click here. Here we can see this angle is 161 degrees. So let us take another one. We have completed linear, aligned, angular. Now we see this arc length. Okay. So we need a arc. We need an arc. A enter. A enter. Okay, this one is the our arc. So let us measure arc length. So select the arc. Okay. See, this is our 14.3886 is the arc length of the drawn arc. So let us see another one, radius. Okay, select an arc or circle. Okay, let us here specify the dimension line from center. So this radius is 4.2207. Let us measure the radius of this circle. Circle radius is 3.6374. And next go to the diameter one. Select an arc or circle. Specify the dimension line location. Okay. The radius, sorry, the diameter of this circle is 7.2748. So this is all about the dimension commands. Linear, align, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, all these are about this. Thank you for watching.